Just now, I spoke on the phone with President Rouhani of the Islamic Republic of Iran. The two of us discussed our ongoing efforts to reach an agreement over Iran's nuclear program.
I stay here. It's okay. I stay here.
Matt, no. It is a great honor for us to announce that we have reached an agreement on the Iranian nuclear issue.
ایران دنبال سلاح کشتار جمعی نبوده و نخواهد بود. ایران دنبال فشار بر کشورهای منطقه نبوده و نخواهد بود.
In a few moments, I will sign a presidential memorandum to begin reinstating U.S. nuclear sanctions on the Iranian regime. We will be instituting the highest level of economic sanction. Any nation that helps Iran in its quest for nuclear weapons could also be strongly sanctioned by the United States. America will not be held hostage to nuclear blackmail.
Mr. President, how does this make America safer? How does this make America safer?
با دم شیر بازی نکنید. پشیمان میشید.
سپاسگزاری از آمادگی عملیاتی دانشجویان ارتش به نمایش.
یک خبرگزاری استیج با ضد زیردری و ضد سرد.
و دریای سرخ می باشد. رو
Okay, gentlemen, thank you very much. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
آفرو بامداد امروز در آسمان سواری هرمزگان سر می‌برد. بنابر اطلاعیه سپاه برخورد دو رو در محدوده تنگه هرمز با تجاوز به فضای سرزمین ایران مذکور در مورد اطلاع
The United States will immediately impose additional punishing economic sanctions on the Iranian regime.
توپ امروز در زمین آمریکا و واشنگتن هست. اگر برگردند عمل کنند به تعهدات، ما هم به تعهدات خودمون عمل میکنیم.
That's why we said we're prepared to re-engage in negotiations with the P5+1 on Iran's nuclear program. We must also address Iran's destabilizing activities across the Middle East. We're going to work in close cooperation with our European and other partners as we proceed.
حد غنیسازی ما هم 20% نیست. ما اگر لازم باشه، اگر برای مثلا پیشران هسته‌ای یا مسائل دیگر ممکنه به 60% هم غنیسازی رو برسونیم.
This is a national security presidential memorandum that seeks to impose maximum pressure on the government of the Islamic Republic of Iran.
So this is one that I'm torn about. Everybody wants me to sign it. I'll do that. It's very tough on Iran. It's what we had before.
بیاین گفتگو کنیم. بعد همونجا که میگه گفتگو کنیم تمام توطئه‌های ممکن رو برای به زانو در آوردن این انقلاب ور می‌داره، امضا میکنه، اعلام میکنه.
نامه در حقیقت هم بیشتر جنبه تهدید داره ولی فرصت‌هایی رو هم به اصطلاح ادعا میکنه که وجود داره.
We're having direct talks with Iran and they've started. It'll go on Saturday. We have a very big meeting and we'll see what can happen. And I think everybody agrees that doing a deal would be preferable to doing the obvious. If we have to do something very harsh, we'll do it. And I'm not doing it for us, I'm doing it for the world. And these are radicalized people, and they cannot have a nuclear weapon.
Does that include a mental strike on Iranian nuclear facilities?
Of course it does.
مواضع ما کاملا روشنه. برنامه هسته ایران از یک پایه‌های حقوقی و قانونی قوی برخوردار هست. این جزء حقوق مردم ایران هست که قابل حتی مذاکره و معامله نیست.
Relationship now is very strong with Saudi Arabia. Nobody's come. Iran has sort of agreed to the terms. They're not going to make out, I call it in a friendly way, nuclear dust. We're not going to be making any nuclear dust in Iran. And we've been strong. I want them to succeed. I want them to end up being a great country.
ما پاپس نمیکشیم. ما دستاوردهای پر افتخار نظامی رو، دانشگاهی رو، علمی رو، هسته‌ای رو در تمام جنبه‌ها به این سادگی از دست نخواهیم داد.